Morning, guys. On our way. Hi, guys. Our way. We just going. Sir? Lagi ko 7:30. Stick ka.
Sino sa skill?
So,
So you should know how to. Ganon. Oh, okay na.
This poster embodies
Alay guys! Kuan! Pag-drawing! Pag-drawing!
Pag-drawing ako silbi.
ako saan?
Sama na.
Family na lang ako i-draw area kay basic knowledge of community
Farm.
and family.
We're all
Yan ay bahay. Ako pag-drawing ako yung
At least work pala din spaceship.
Oy, buti daw kay classes kang Zilla share.
Group 1. Group 2. Group 4, guys.
Say hi.
Group 3.
Guess the group 1 number. Ay, kita pa yung mga.
kuan ako. Ari mata. Ari ta.
Yeah, wait. Peace, resistance.
So, primarily, conceptually, we worked on the theme of is basically sustainability. Sarah Daniel said that one of the most important aspects of a healthy community is the concept of sustainability. So first, these are non-ideological, as in they don't particularly adhere to a certain set of values, but they exist in general concepts in order to keep order. Willing to suffer for it. Thank you.
I-inform ka na po. Nine publication about pero mali ba yung mga nakakita sa tayo? Daw by fourth maging tao. Okay, at least no.
Wrapping our scissors.